Go back to sleep. You're tired. Start praying from tomorrow.
Come, let's go. It's Salah time.
You go. I'll pray from tomorrow.
I'll start namaz from tomorrow. Because that sentence has followed people all the way to their graves. Shaytaan will not stand in front of you and say, don't pray. He knows that wouldn't work. So he waits and he whispers something far more dangerous. Later. You're still young. You'll pray properly when life settles. And you believe him, not because you want to disobey Allah, but because you think you have time. But ask yourself something honestly. Who promised you tomorrow? How many people woke up today thinking they'd pray later and never reach the next salah? How many janazas have we attended where the person also said, I'll start from tomorrow? Islam teaches that death does not send reminders. It does not knock gently. It does not wait for you to become ready. One breath and then silence. One missed salah and suddenly there are no more chances. People say, I'm not ready yet. But salah is not for the ready. It is for the sinner who wants to return. If you are breathing right now, if your heart is still beating, that itself is Allah giving you a window. Even one salah, even one sincere step back. Not later, not tomorrow, not after you fix your life. Now. Make a firm intention in your heart, not to become perfect, not to never fall again, but to stop delaying. Say it quietly, honestly. Ya Allah, if I die before tomorrow, let me at least die trying to return to you. That intention itself is ibadah. If this reminder scared you, good, because a heart that still feels fear is a heart that is still alive. Like the video, write your intention in the comments, and subscribe for more authentic reminders from the Quran and sound Islamic teachings. Don't wait for tomorrow. The next adhan could be your last chance.